Hello kids, love you. Let's draw a house. The door. Window. Another window. Chimney. Now draw a tree.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P
And finally the sun.
W X Y and Z.
Wow, so cute.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Drawing complete. Now let's color. Red color,
H I J K
yellow color,
Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I
green
know
color,
ABCs.
pink
Next
color,
time, won't you sing
blue
with
color,
me?
blue color, brown color, green color. And now orange color. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel for more such beautiful videos. Bye.